Alright guys, it's Jacob Walcott here, and this is my Bsx safety jacket, fire resistant for welding. There's flames on the side. It's quick release buttons, so you button straight up. There are two adjustments for the neck. I got a 1XL. I'm about 6'1". There's side adjustments if you wanted to fit tighter or loose, all about the type of belly you have on both sides. Also for the wrist, there's two adjustments. Inside the jacket now, you have two pockets, two big pockets. One without a zip on this side here, and this side is the one with the zip. This jacket retails for around $25 US on Amazon. On the shoulder here, you have two small pockets. So as you guys could see, I have a little size, I'm not fat. I'm using the 2XL in the jacket. 100% cotton, made in China. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos. Jacob Walcott from Trinidad and Tobago, signing out.